Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Hindi Starter Kit. Today's goal is to boost your vocabulary with 101 new Hindi words. These are basic Hindi words that every beginner should know. Words that you'll actually use in everyday conversations. See, in today's time, when we speak Hindi, we actually use a mix of English and Hindi. For example, it's very common to use the words hi, hello, bye, doctor, teacher, etc. So the words that you'll learn today are those that we actually use when we talk to each other in Hindi. So if you're interested, let's begin. Okay, so if you see this page, the way I've written it is that the big word in red is the way how you're going to pronounce it. Now the pronunciation is not exact. These are not phonetically accurate ways of writing it. You will have to listen how I'm saying it to make sure that it matches what you need to say. In blue over here, this is as the word is written in Devanagari, which is the script of Hindi. And here, the bottom one, that is the English meaning. Okay? The first word is main, which means I. Main. Main. Hum. We. Aap. You. Aap can be used for both singular and plural. So, main, hum, aap. I, we, you. Haan, nahi. Haan is yes, nahi is no. Haan, nahi. Shayad. Shayad. Maybe, perhaps. So, haan, nahi, and shayad. Naam. Naam, which means name. Pata. Pata. Address. Rasta. Rasta, which means a path or route or the way to go somewhere. Naam, pata, rasta. Next is gaon. Gaon, which means village. Gaon. Sheher. Sheher, city. Desh. Desh, country. Gaon, sheher, desh. Ghar, home. Ghar. Kamra. Kamra, which means room. Ghar, kamra. Now there are a few question words, the interrogative words. Kya, kya, which is what. Kyun, kyun, why. Kaun, kaun, who. Kya, kyun, kaun. Kitna, kitna, how much. Kab, kab, when. Kaise, kaise, how. Kahan or kidhar. Both of these words mean where. You can use either of them. Kahan, किधर. कहाँ, किधर. किसके लिए, किसके लिए. For whom. So the words are then क्या, क्यों, कौन, कितना, कब, कैसे, कहाँ, किधर, किसके लिए. Alright? Moving ahead. भूख, bhook, which means hunger. Pyas, pyas, thirst. Madad, madad, help. Bhook, pyas, madad. Khana, khana, which means food. Pani, pani, water. Khana, pani, food, water. Shakahari, shakahari, vegetarian. So if you want to eat vegetarian food, it will be shakahari. And if you yourself are a vegetarian, so someone who only eats vegetables, you are also shakahari. Okay, so shakahari. Masahari, masahari, non-vegetarian. So shakahari and masahari. Chawal, chawal, which is rice. Sabji, sabji. Now, sabji can mean two things. It can either be a cooked vegetable dish, right? So something that's already cooked and ready to eat. This is a singular word, okay? It's one sabji, one cooked dish. Or it could also be a raw vegetable, right? So just let's say any vegetable you have, like a potato or something. So it's singular over there also. So chawal and sabji. Then roti or chapati. Roti, roti, chapati, chapati. This is the Indian flatbread that we use to eat with the sabji. Doodh, milk. Doodh. Dahi is curd or yogurt. Dahi. Doodh, dahi. Shakkar, shakkar. Sugar. Namak, namak. Salt. Mirchi, mirchi, which is chili. So green chilies, red chilies, they're all mirchi. Shakkar, namak, mirchi. Then meetha, meetha, which means sweet, the sweet taste. Namkeen, namkeen, salty. Tikha, tikha, spicy. So if it has a lot of chili spice, then it is tikha. So meetha, namkeen, tikha. Then khatta, khatta, which is sour. So if you have a lemon, the taste is khatta. Kadwa, kadwa, which is bitter. Kadwa and khatta. Swad, swad. Swad means taste or flavor. So all the words that we just did, khatta, kadwa, meetha, tikha, namkeen, all of these are swad. Okay. Next, we have some colors. So we have white, red, yellow, pink, blue, green and black. So white is safed. Safed. Red is lal. Lal. Peela is yellow. Peela. Peela. Pink is gulabi. Gulabi. Neela. Neela. Neela is blue. Hara, green. Hara. काला, black. काला. So सफेद, लाल, पीला, गुलाबी, नीला, हरा, काला. Next, 1 to 10. एक, एक, दो, दो, तीन, तीन, चार, चार, पाँच, पाँच, छः, छः, सात, सात, आठ, आठ, नौ, नौ, 10, 10. Okay, once more. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Next, let's move on to some words regarding time. आज, आज, today. कल, कल. कल could mean tomorrow or yesterday. परसों, परसों. This is either day after tomorrow or day before yesterday. So this then becomes परसों, कल, आज, कल, परसों. दिन, दिन. This means day. रात, रात, night. दिन, रात. सूरज, सूरज, sun. चांद, चांद. moon. सूरज, चांद. सुबह, सुबह. मॉर्निंग, दोपहर, दोपहर. आफ्टरनून, शाम, इवनिंग, शाम. सुबह, दोपहर, शाम. Now let's see a few words for location. पास, पास. near. दूर, दूर. far. यहाँ, इधर. Both of them mean here. यहाँ, इधर. वहाँ, उधर. there. वहाँ, उधर. यहाँ, वहाँ. here, there. इधर, उधर. here, there. ऊपर, ऊपर. ऊपर means up and it can also be used for upstairs. Same way, नीचे, नीचे means down and also downstairs. So, ऊपर, नीचे. आगे, in front of or front. आगे. पीछे, पीछे. back. Then, बाएं, बाएं means left. दाएं, दाएं. right. सीधे, सीधे. straight. And you can use it when you want to say go ahead, keep going ahead. बाएं, दाएं, सीधे. Then let's look at a few simple verbs. Chalo, chalo. Walk or let's go. So if you want to tell someone you walk, then it would be chalo. Ruko, stop. Again, you're telling someone. Ruko. Bhago, bhago. Run. Chalo, ruko, bhago. Aao, aao. Come. Jao, jao. Go. Aao, jao. Jaldi, jaldi. Which means quickly. Dheere, dheere. Slowly. So you could say, jaldi aao. Come quickly. Jaldi jao. Go quickly. Similarly, dheere aao. Come slowly. Dheere jao. Go slowly. Alright? Then, acha. Acha. This is a very common word. It can be used for okay, alright, fine, but the meaning is good. So, acha is good and okay. Bura, bura, bad. Theek, 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 theek. So-so, average, alright, midway. Acha, bura, theek, theek. Bada, bada, which means big. Chota, chota, small. Bada, chota. Garam, garam. Hot. Thanda, thanda. Cold. Garam, thanda. Hot and cold. And lastly, khush, khush. Happy. Dukhi, dukhi. Sad. Khush, dukhi. And that was 101 basic Hindi words. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video. And if you're learning Hindi step by step, do subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss the next lesson. This video was a little different from the other videos that I've put so far, and it focused only on the vocab. So let me know how you thought the video was. Would you like to see more of such videos? And as always, thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care.